Hey guys, this is Eni with a hopefully 4-minute tutorial on setting up WRobot for the first time. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is download the WRobot executable, pull it down into a folder and explode it, and hit update. Update it will go to the WRobot servers, and it will pull down all the files for you. Okay, once that's finished, you're going to end up with this sort of stuff in your WRobot directory. To get started, launch the WRobot client. You'll get a screen like this. You hit launch bot. You're going to put in your license key and log in. Now, because we don't have any World of Warcraft clients open at the moment, it's going to detect that and saying, select a process. Would you like to launch a 32-bit process? Yes. Now, WRobot only works with 32-bit World of Warcraft, just the way the hooks work. It's going to stay that way for a bit as well. So what you need to do is log into the bot for it. So we're going to log in, and this is just a free account, so if anyone sees the username, go crazy, play trial. Okay, so let's jump into one of these characters, and you can see the bot stat is please connect to the game the second you connect. So when connected, let's refresh. Okay, so it's picked up we have a bot in the game, so let's select him and launch the bot. You end up with this. Now there's many different types of bots you can play with. The main ones are going to be Gatherer, Grinder, Quester, W Rotation, and begrudgingly a lot of people use Battlegrounder, whatever. The main ones I use are Gatherer and Grinder. So in this case we're going to go for a Grinder, which is just telling the bot, hey, load a profile and I want you to go around and kill a bunch of things, which is great for leveling. So we go Grinder, product settings. So we need to select a specific type of profile we're using, and so you're going to select that from the drop down menu. So what you need to do is actually jump on the WRobot website and go and download profiles. And you've got your profiles here, Grinder or Quester. I mean, I've got a lot of profiles loaded, so I do mainly Quester profiles. So I can see, and you don't want to do that. So yeah, I've got most of the WoW leveling path is just in mainly Quest profiles. But for this tutorial, let's do Grinder. So we go Grinder. We select a profile we want to use. 1 to 4 Horde Grinder, fantastic, and we start. Okay, so what you're going to notice off the bat is this bot is not using any spells. The profile itself is to go out and attack boss. However, there's no instruction within that profile to tell it to use spells. So what we're going to want to do is close, go to general settings, and we're going to want to use a fight class. There are so many fight classes out there. Once again, go to the WRobot website, download fight classes. What you want to do is pull them out of your downloads folder and actually put them into the fight class directory and just dump them in there. This is the same actually for all the profiles you download. If you download a Grinder profile, put it in the Grinder. You download a Quester, put it in the Quester. Okay, minimize that. So we want to use a fight class, and we're going to use a Legion Hunter. Load it. Okay, so what you see pretty much almost straight away is our bot starts to use spells from that fight class. The instruction of, hey, go around and kill these mobs is coming from the profile, and the instruction of when you engage a mob, how do you fight, is coming from the fight class. Obviously, you're at perfect liberty to choose whatever you want to use there. Some advanced options very quickly, because there's so much to go through here, guys. Number 1, selling items. Obviously, you don't want the bot to become almost useless with a full bag, so you want it to sell items. You can close the bot after a specific amount of time. That's really important because you see a whole bunch of people running the bot for like 9-10 hours, and hey, you're going to get banned pretty quick. What I like to do when setting up a bot very quickly is I turn selling items on, I turn off teleporting, I turn on skin gather mine mobs, usually. I go to the advanced options. I turn on attack units in fight, attack before being attacked. I then go to the vendor tabs. I turn on sell white and sell green items. Any items I don't want to sell, cloth, leather, herbs, ores, I add them to the do not sell list, I close, and I launch the bot. If I'm leveling a 1 to 60 bot, pretty much I can create the character, edit the settings in WRobot, create the heirlooms, and get this thing running probably within about 2 minutes. I can then walk out the door and go to work. Look, normal botting rules applies, guys. Don't get greedy. I actually recommend using Relogger for most of all of your WRobot use. I recommend limiting the amount of time the bot's running. Blizzard's really trying to crack down on this before Legion, so don't become a statistic. Look, I hope that helps someone. Probably went way over time, but hey, hope that helps. Cheers, guys.